Thanks for tuning in. If you like old trains, please subscribe. Today we're going to talk a little bit about this Alexander Pennsylvania Railroad D13-C, American style, dating back to first shown in the catalog in 1937. For the small price of $150, you could get a ready-to-run engine, or you could get the basic kit for down to $75 and then put it together yourself. You have a tender drive here because of the small Belpar boiler, so you have a tender drive in there. This is a modification. Use the same chassis as the other American offered by Alexander. This is their standard one, dating back to I think 35 is the first time this one surfaced. But this one surfaced by 37. This is a lovely built-up example, and we're pulling one of their cast old-time cars here, which has sandclass sides. And here's the pattern that was used for make that car, courtesy of Bob Stevenson from Stevenson Preservation. It went into the Pierce collection, and then Bob got it, and here it is. So that's where that generated from. So we'll run around a little bit more. Alexander kind of got out of the model train business closer around 1941. As World War II broke out, he moved to Yardley, Pennsylvania. He sold his hobby shop and the contents. And post-war, he never quite got into the swing of things like he did pre-war. So he specialized in more upscale models for individuals and displays. So this was kind of a unique period that Alexander captured O-scale, roughly from 1930 till 1941. This is one of his nice examples. Thank you very much.